Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Maps and finding a supported city or place. This unlocks immersive imagery. Once you see the Immersive View card, tap it to begin loading both aerial and street-level layers so you get context and detail simultaneously. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a good mobile connection. High-res textures stream. As it loads, watch the progress indicator. This prepares the 3D models and live weather overlays, so you can inspect angles and lighting accurately. Once the immersive view is loaded, use pinch and two-finger rotate gestures to set your zoom and orientation quickly. This gives you the perspective you need. Next, enable layers, traffic, transit, and weather to compare live conditions versus visuals. Use the time of day slider to preview lighting. When you tap points of interest, you'll get info cards with details. Use the flight path or orbit controls for a cinematic sweep. These steps let you explore both functionally and visually. To finish, capture what you need with screenshot or record mode, and remember to respect privacy notices when sharing. If imagery looks low resolution or textures fail to load, first clear the app cache or restart the app. Then toggle Wi-Fi and cellular data to force a refresh. If models misalign or you see persistent artifacts, send feedback through the app with a brief description and location. This helps Google prioritize fixes and improves future immersive experiences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.